A Swallow and Other Birds. There was a farm where many kinds of birds had come to live, causing severe damage to the crops. One day, the farm owner sowed cotton seeds. A swallow, who had watched the farmer plant the seeds, called to its friends, saying,
"Hurry! Let's hurry and ruin the farmer's new crop, or they will be harvested and made into nets to catch us for sure."
The other birds laughed at the silly thought of the swallow and ignored the cotton seeds. Time went by. The seeds grew into cotton plants. The swallow warned his friends again, saying,
"We'd better find somewhere else for food. The farm owner will bring the cotton to make a net and catch us for sure."
Still, none of the birds listened to him. One of them said,
"Don't worry. I think the seeds are likely for cotton textiles."
Finally, the owner made a net and rope from cotton to catch the birds. All of them were caught except the swallow. The moral of the story: listen to warnings from those who mean well.